Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. So today we're going to get into how to use Ibotta. I get lots of questions all the time, how to navigate the app. If you are new, you don't really understand it. We're going to go ahead and break it down in this video and hopefully answer all of the questions you may have and get you familiar with using rebate apps. If you are new, welcome. I'm super excited you're here today to watch this video and learn how to use rebate apps with me. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, as well as give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it and find it helpful. Later in the video, we will have a gift card giveaway, so stay tuned for that and go ahead and enter that as well. We're going to go ahead, get right into this and see how exactly to use Ibotta and earn real cash back to your PayPal or your bank account. A little bit about Ibotta. It is a cashback rebate app. So you want to go ahead and download it, whether you have Android or Apple. You can download it to your phone and go ahead and make an account. I do have my referral link down in the description box as well as later in the video. If you sign up with my referral link, I would truly appreciate it, and you will get up to $20 in bonuses for using my referral link. So that is an additional $20 you will earn after redeeming your first rebate. So basically all you're doing is just adding rebates to your shopping list. So for example, if you need some rice at the store one day, you can go into Ibotta and select the retailer that you are going to that day, look for any rebates on some rice, and go ahead and add it and get cash back. But the minimum to cash out is $20. So after you hit that $20 minimum, you can cash out to whichever you prefer, PayPal or your bank account. I just really think it's a great option to save money on groceries. So after you've downloaded and signed up with Ibotta, this is the home screen. So it may not look exactly like mine if you are new and just signed up, because I have bonuses. It takes a couple of weeks to get into the bonuses, but we'll get into that later in the video. But for the most part, you will see pretty much exactly what I see. You will see the recommended retailers, and then the shop by category. So it's just showing you all the retailers that are a part of Ibotta. So, retailers that you can go to and earn cash back. And in the shop by category, we have some online offers, some grocery pickup offers. You can purchase gift cards on Ibotta. The home screen is definitely where it's at, and then it has a couple of options down at the bottom. Options being like you can go to redeem a receipt, you can go to the earn more tab and you will see bonuses there, and the account tab shows all your account information and cash out information. So if you have been with Ibotta for a while, or you have been watching Ibotta hauls on YouTube, you have heard about bonuses. Bonuses are just additional cash back you can get for completing a certain amount of offers. So on top of the offers you're already completing, you could be eligible for a bonus. So, for example, a bonus I have right now is called the Honorable Bonus, and it is 42 offers I complete, I will get 10 additional dollars. And these bonuses are completely random. Not every account gets one, and not every account has the same dollar value or the same amount value. So some accounts may have less offers to complete, and some accounts may have more offers to complete. Some accounts may get less money back. Some accounts may get more money back. And it is nothing you're doing wrong. It is nothing that you should be doing to try to prompt getting a bonus. I definitely think being a little more active on Ibotta would prompt to get a bonus, but it takes a couple of weeks to generate getting bonuses. It took me about 4 weeks with my husband's account to start getting bonuses on his. So that is that. But you will find these under the bonuses tab. It's also called Earn More, and these will just show you what kind of bonuses are, in progress for you, meaning bonuses that you've started, that you are almost completing, and then other offers like for different brands that you can get a bonus for, and so forth. Another thing with bonuses is that they do stack. So for example, you will see there on the screen, I have a midweek marker bonus, and then I do have this big honorable bonus. So the midweek marker bonus is only valid for 3 days. So I got that on Monday and it expires Wednesday, whereas this honorable bonus does not expire until the 30th of August. So with those two bonuses, let's say my midweek marker is $5 back for 5 offers. And then I have the honor roll bonus, which you guys see is 42 offers. If I complete the 5 offers for my midweek marker, those 5 offers are going to track towards my honor roll bonus, which is super fantastic. And like I mentioned, bonuses do expire. The midweek bonuses usually come out Mondays and expire on Wednesdays, and then most accounts will also get a weekend bonus that comes out on Thursdays and expires on Sundays. So definitely be on the lookout for that, and hopefully within a couple of weeks you guys will start getting bonuses after you've signed up and started playing around with Ibotta a little more. So now we are looking at how to shop. So I am selecting Walmart for this scenario, but you can choose any retailer. For Walmart, it is going to ask you a question when I hit the icon. How do I want to shop? You can choose in-store, online, buy gift cards. I don't really mess around with online offers that much. I usually do in-store grocery offers, so I would click that, and there it pulls up the whole list of offers that Walmart has for me right now. And they're broken down into categories by dairy, by pantry, beverages, baby care, personal care, automotive. It's just a whole list of categories that is just cashback offers. It is insane how many cashback offers there are. And like I said, you can choose any retailer you want. You don't have to just do Walmart. We have CVS, Walgreens, all other stores. And I will say that with the offers, that not everybody will have the same offers. One person might have an offer for, Nestle water. The other person may not. One person may have an offer for $2 back on cheese. The other person may only have 50 cents back on cheese. It is totally random. And again, it is nothing that you are doing wrong. It just varies by account. The thing you'll notice here at the top of the screen, it says you can link your Walmart account or submit a receipt instead. I always submit a receipt instead. You can link your Walmart account, but in the past I've had, some ups and downs with it. I do have my store rewards linked at Food Lion for myself. And sometimes it'll pick up on rebates and sometimes it won't. So basically, after I punch in my store rewards number at checkout at the Food Lion, then within 24 hours, Ibotta will pick up on my transaction and my receipt. It'll see it through my Food Lion account, and then it'll credit me my cash back within 24 hours. I prefer not to do that at Walmart, big box stores like that, because I don't want to miss out on a rebate and affect me getting, a bonus that I'm working towards and so forth. So I always submit it manually. Now, if you are adding rebates, so let's say I'm adding a rebate for Jif peanut butter at Walmart, you can usually see if that rebate is available at other retailers. But if, you clip it to your Walmart shopping list, it may not be available at Walgreens, but usually under that rebate, it'll show you what stores it is also eligible at for, if that makes sense. So now we're going to talk about the offers. So for example, right here, we have an offer on some U by Kotex tampons. They're $2 back. So if you're interested in this and you want to go ahead and add that to your shopping list and get that $2 cash back, you would hit the plus icon right there beside the dollar amount back and then the picture. Once you hit that plus sign, then it'll be added to your shopping list and you will be eligible to get the cash back for that as long as you purchase it. Then below it, it shows the details. So that is just basically showing the exclusions for the product, telling you, what kind of scent to get or what kind of variety to get. And then it also will tell you how many times per receipt you can redeem for. So for this one, it says limit 5 times per receipt. So that means I can purchase that same product 5 times and get $2 back for every time I buy it up to 5 times. You will also see that sometimes offers on certain products have a option for bonuses. So here there is a bonus for some U by Kotex and some other participating products. I believe that one would be $1 back for when you purchase one of each variety. So, and the bonuses do track, like I said. So if you only buy U by Kotex for one shopping trip, then you're already tracking towards that bonus right there with the U by Kotex and the other 2 products to get that additional $1 back. And also shows that the You Buy code text does have an expiration date. Now, even though it shows it has an expiration date, the offers can disappear at any time. So I highly recommend before you go shopping to make sure that offer is still there. And while you're in the store, make sure it's still there so it doesn't disappear on you and you buy a product and end up not getting the cash back for it. A super helpful tool is also to check the product barcode. So you can go ahead and hit that little check product barcode icon and scan your products in store, and it'll tell you if it qualifies and meets the qualifications to get your cash back, or if it does not, you can go ahead and keep finding a product and scanning it to see which one will finally attach to that to get the cash back. You don't want to play a guessing game. You don't want to take chances. You always want to scan your products to make sure it attaches ahead of time so you're not buying an item and then wondering why you didn't get your cash back because it didn't meet the qualifications. If the exclusions aren't very clear enough to you, sometimes I get a little stumbled on the exclusions. That's why I always check the product barcode. Double dips can happen. So you guys know at CVS and Walgreens, we get double dips all the time. The same thing happens with Ibotta, but if you are not cool with a double dip, I can tell you how not to participate in it. But if you are all about the double dip, so let's say we have a rebate for $1 back on You Buy Kotex, and then a rebate for this $2 back on You Buy Kotex. Those two offers could glitch together and attach to one product. So you would be getting two offers back for one product, and it would be $3 back instead of just two. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, if you are not wanting that double dip to happen, just make sure you don't clip both offers to your shopping list. You're just going to want to clip one or the other, and that way you don't feel uncomfortable having the double dip happen if you're not personally cool with that. So now that you've added the offers, you don't know where the heck they are. You want to make sure they are still on your account and on your shopping list so you're not buying a product that doesn't have a rebate for it. Super easy to find. It is just right there where the arrow is pointing, that little tab that looks kind of like a list. You're going to go ahead and click that, and it pulls up your Walmart list, which shows all of the rebates you have added to your Walmart shopping list. And it is broken down in categories by dairy and eggs, pantry, beverages, frozen, etc. Super easy to find, super helpful and organized. And like I've mentioned a couple of times before in the video, that you're not going to receive cash back unless the offer is added to your list. Ibotta just doesn't pick up on offers like that. It has to be added to your list. It's not going to just automatically credit you. Now you've added a couple of offers, you did your shopping, and you're wanting to submit your receipt now to get the cash back. Super easy. You're just going to go ahead and open your Ibotta app. At the bottom of your screen, you will hit the redeem tab, and it pulls up all of the retailers that you can get cash back for. So you're going to go ahead and select the retailer that you shopped at and did Ibotta rebates with. So most of them will just ask you to take a picture of your receipt. In Walmart's case, they ask you to scan the barcode, or if, like I mentioned earlier in the video, you link your store loyalty card through Ibotta, then it'll pick up on it automatically. You won't have to submit a receipt. But if you're submitting a receipt, you want to select the retailer and then take a picture of your receipt. And then after you take a picture, it'll then start to process and figure out which rebates you went ahead and redeemed for. And it'll go ahead and credit you usually within 24 hours at that retailer. Walmart's pretty instant. CVS takes about 24 hours for me, and so forth. But that is just super easy to redeem a receipt. You just take a picture and you will have your cash back within a couple of hours, if anything. So now we're looking at the account settings, or the account, I should say. You will find that when you open your Ibotta app, it is down on the bottom where you find the home tab, the redeem tab, and the bonus tab. The account tab will be the last. So this is where you will find your current earnings, your lifetime earnings, where you can withdraw your earnings. But like I said, it's a $20 minimum to withdraw. So right now on this account, I can't withdraw because I only have $2. But once you withdraw, it is super easy. You just, like I've mentioned before, link your PayPal or your bank account, and just within 30 seconds, you're going to go ahead and get it transferred. You're also going to find the option to buy some gift cards here, payment methods, pay with Ibotta, You'll also find referral codes and change your settings and so forth. So it's kind of boring on this screen, but this is exactly where you're going to find where to cash out and what your exact lifetime and current earnings are. So now I hope you are more comfortable using the Ibotta app and understanding how to navigate and the basics of it. I also get a lot of questions on how I plan my Ibotta haul and how you can plan your Ibotta haul. For me, I always go to Walmart and do most of my Ibotta shopping. I'll do a little bit of rebates here and there at the drugstores during the week, but I mainly go big with Ibotta at Walmart because I'm always trying to complete a bonus. And sometimes I'll use, rebates to do a little bit of grocery shopping here and there, but mainly I'm just doing a strictly big Ibotta haul to get to my bonuses. So I just plan it out basically by looking through the Ibotta app, going under the Walmart retailer, seeing what offers they have for which products, and if any products stick out to me, I will go ahead and go to my Walmart grocery app. I'll select the shop pickup and delivery option, and then I'll type in that product that I know we have rebates for, and then I'll pull it up and then see what the price is, see if the size matches for the rebate, see if the quantity matches for the rebate. And a fun tip I learned from Shop with Sarah a while back is that when you are looking for the products on the Walmart app, what you can do is sometimes the products will have a picture of the barcode on it, and you can enlarge that barcode and use the Ibotta app on your phone and scan that product barcode and see if it attaches, so you're not having to do it in store. So what I do is I just do that on my laptop. I'll pull up the Walmart website, pull up that product barcode on the Walmart website, and use my phone and scan it real quick off my laptop and then see if it attaches. And that has been such a game changer. So I'll already know it attaches before I even get to the store to ensure that I'm going to get my cash back. So it's super simple how I plan out my haul. I highly recommend downloading the Walmart app or just going on walmart.com, and you'll see the prices of everything and be able to plan out your trip successfully. So hopefully this video got you a lot more comfortable using rebate apps, especially Ibotta. Ibotta by far is one of the simplest ones I have found. It is super easy to navigate, and even, at the time when I signed up, I did not watch a video like this. I did not know how to really use it. I just kind of, signed up for it, and I just learned along the way. But I definitely think a video like this is super helpful to those that are still having a little bit of confusion. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any more questions, you guys can leave them in the comments, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. But for now, we're going to do a little giveaway. So I'm going to give away a $10 Walmart gift card. So you guys can get started on doing some Ibotta shopping with this gift card and having little out of pocket to pay as possible. So it's super easy to enter. Just be subscribed to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and comment your favorite store that you like to coupon at. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the winner for the $10 gift card in my Walmart haul next week. So make sure you guys enter this and watch out for that video. I always appreciate y'all so much for the love and support with this channel and helping it grow and really hyping me up on my coupon haul. So it only seems right for me to help you guys try to succeed more at Ibotta shopping and Walmart couponing by hooking you up with a $10 gift card. So be sure to enter that, like I said. And if you are now wanting to sign up for Ibotta and completely new, you can use my referral code AONOHTP and go ahead and use that. And after you redeem your first offer, you can get up to $20 in bonuses. So that is super awesome. I will have that referral link also in the description box. But that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know if you did down in the comments, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!